See you later, carburettors. Go, Ricky! This isn't so bad. Uh-oh. Come on, tyres! Just a little further! Oh. This is a problem.